to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and if you hadn't figured it out, today I'm reviewing a 3-tiered mesh tray by Rolodex. I have a home office, and I was looking for the perfect 3-tiered tray for use on my desk, and this is the one that had really high reviews. Decided to get it, and I love it. It works great. A lot of people probably think, who cares, a tray is a tray, but if you use one and a lot, then you know that's not true. I wanted one that had access from the long end, not the short end, and easy to pull things off of it, and also strong, because you can see I have whole reams of paper, which can get quite heavy. And this one's great. It holds a lot. You can see this is almost a whole ream of paper, and there's still space above. This is probably half a ream of paper, and then I have just various things, envelopes and things up here. They have the cutout here, so it makes it easy. If you wanted to grab this whole ream, you could grab it. You don't have anything blocking you from doing that in the front there. It's also very strong and durable, and it looks really good on your desk, the way it's made. And it's very easy to move. If you want to move the whole thing, you can pick it up and move it if you need to. But anyway, it's pretty simple. The wire mesh, it doesn't look cheap like some trays do. A lot of plastic trays look really cheap. And this looks really nice and neat and professional sitting on your desk. So that's why I would definitely recommend it after using it for several months. And again, it's Rolodex mesh tray. I'll have a link to it in the description of this video. So just check down there in the description. There'll be a link. If you click that link, it'll take you straight to Amazon, where you can check this product out and pick it up for yourself if you're in the market for one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see other product reviews that I've done. And I cover all kinds of products, appliances, electronics, dog toys, all kinds of things. So subscribe to my channel. If you know anyone who works in an office and might be in need of something like this, feel free to share the link for the video with them so they can check it out for themselves. And that's pretty much it until the next review. So this is Eric saying have a great day.